bro, I know it's been a minute, bro. Oh, bro. I told you I didn't know what to upload, and I was thinking, bro. I was thinking, bro. It was like a minute for me to realize what I actually want to do on this channel, bro. So I realized, bro, just tell y'all stories about my life. You feel me? Gangsta. I'm off that though. I'm just putting my phone in charge. So yeah, bro. This story time is about when my first 3 months of having a job, bro. You feel me? This is gonna be only 3 episodes. It's not gonna be long, and it's not gonna be short either. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. The first day I got there, it was like I saw what was going on, but I didn't click, didn't like stick to me. Like, nah, these people are actually doing what I thought they were doing. Not gonna mention the people, not gonna mention the place where this occurred at or it happened, but just know I was involved. Oh my word. Okay, bro. I think this is 6 months, bro. I feel like it was 6 months, but I also feel like it was 3 months since then. But I'm not sure though. I'll let y'all niggas. I'll find out and I'll let y'all know. Bro, the experience was not the work experience was, but the experience that I gained from that place was actually not bad, bro. You feel me? Especially from this one bra. This one bra is yo, bro. I'm telling you, bro. This money, oh, bro. When I tell you this nigga was a player, bro. But everyone's gonna get the episode. Everyone's gonna get the episode. Just remember, everyone is gonna get the episode. You feel me? Everyone's gonna get the episode. If the first month I dropped in that workplace, bro, I first had to catch my feet, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The people there, they were, they were lazy, bro. They were lazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie, they were lazy, bro. When it comes to work, bro, and the money wasn't like, I can't say the money was the best, but the money wasn't, it was the good was, you feel me? It was, you feel me? It was so, you feel me? Personally, like at the moment I am now, I would go back, but I don't want to. Like these years, I don't want to go, but I would go. For me, find me a better job, build my setup up. If you me, get me better equipment. If you me, just so I can make this experience for y'all better. You feel me? Because at the moment it's not as good because I'm recording from my phone. But time will tell though. Time will tell though. You feel me? Time will tell though. 3T, don't forget 3T. That was a high school term though. That was a high school term. 3T. Yeah, bro. It's first week, bro. Like my first week there was not bad, but it wasn't good. You mean because I didn't know these people get paid on a Thursday, bro. Who gets paid on a Thursday, bro? You get paid on a Thursday, come back the Friday, and like you only work half of the day, and you have to come back the Saturday so you can get the Friday's time in, bro. I hate that, bro. I hated working on a Saturday, bro. Why the hell would I go work on a Saturday? Maybe to get my money in, but it was never a reason for me to go work on a Saturday because I was always getting better money on a Saturday, you feel me? I could stay at home, bro, on a Saturday because I know I was getting money, you feel me? So Saturdays was my off days, bro. Saturday, Sunday, off day. Monday, back to that work because the Saturday and Sunday, there wasn't work like that work that I wanted to do. Was never there on a Saturday or on a Monday. During the weekdays, it was never there. But Saturday and Sunday, bro, I'm always there, bro. Because that's better money, bro. In 2 days, bro, I can make my whole week's pay out, bro. I'm dead serious, bro. That's why I hated working there, bro. I hated working there. Not because, bro. And the saddest part is, bro, the people that I was working with, bro, were not, they were lazy, bro, and they were stingy, bro. Stingy and lazy is a bad combination, bro. I hated that two combinations, bro. Lazy and bad, bro. Lazy and stingy, bro. Bro, long story short, bro. First week, bro, they tell me, nah, do this, do small things, bro. Now, I didn't know that this wood you were carrying was gonna cut my hands, bro. I'm still new to all of this, bro. My hands is bleeding. They tell me, nah, go inside. Wrap your hand, get gloves. Bro, I go inside, I get the gloves, bro. This gloves not even so 2-3 days, bro. Gloves already fading, like, nah. Now this other nigga that I was working with, his name is Potter. It's his nickname, Potter. Bruh, so far that nigga was like, he was a genuine nigga, bro. He was genuine, bro. And me personally, I respected him, and he could see I respected him, bro. There was no disrespect. I never disrespect people. I don't know what is it like where people find a reason to disrespect people since it. But that nigga Potter was genuine, bro. Even if he liked to drink every weekend, bro. That nigga Potter, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Everyone's gonna have this story, bro. There was so much people there. Everyone's gonna have this story, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This story is just mainly about this one nigga. Feel me? Now, this is the main story is only about this 1 week that I was there since my story, my experience of what I was there for since. Bro, I came there when the means already got paid, bro. So I had to work a full week for free just to get my money, bro. You know how tight I was that week, bro? Niggas are doing what they want with their money. I had to see, bro. You know how tight I got, bro? I got mad tight, bro. Mad tight, bro. I didn't so stress, bro. So they told me, nah, you going on the truck. I'm like, for what reason, bro? There's already a boy on the truck. They're like, nah, this nigga hurt his back. Now you have to go on the truck with him, bro. Bro, and the driver that I was with, bro, that nigga was, bro. Imagine eating, bro. That nigga had no teeth, bro, but he ate the hardest stuff, bro. And he liked energy drink, bro. For some reason, he liked energy drink, bro. I hated energy drinks. I never saw the reason of drinking an energy drink, bro. Drink water. You feel me? Drink water. There's no reason for you to drink an energy drink, bro. It's like a illusion addiction, bro. That's fake shit, bro. Bro, we get in the bus, we drive to bro, somewhere deep there, bro. The farm place, bro. Oh, bro, I hated every second of that drive, bro. Yeah, it was fun because my cousin was with me. And, speaking of that nigga, bro. Yeah, it was fun, that nigga was with me, bro. But this nigga, bro, he stink, bro. First of all, he stink. Grown ass man stink, bro. Smell like, bro. BS, bro. Smell like straight BS, bro. I'm like, bro. Grown man, bro. Second of all, nigga, breath stink. Why? In his mind, he doesn't need to brush his teeth because why? He doesn't have teeth. Bro, you know how tight I got, bro? And I'm, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Every trip up there, bro, it's hot. It's December month in Cape Town, bro. You know how hot it gets in Cape Town, bro? In the December month, bro. Bro, you vibe up. Not even December month, bro. November month already, bro. You feel it, bro. It's hot. It's hot, bro. It means, bro, we vibe. It's hot in that cabin, bro. The cabin has no AC. These two people are hogging the how can I say, the window, bro. And they both smoke cigarettes, bro. I don't smoke bro. If I had to tell you how much I hated that drive, bro. I hated that drive. I needed to get a bit. I told my manager, bro, I'm not sitting in between that niggas, bro. I hate sitting in between that, bro. And I did, bro. The saddest part is, bro, I did not all majority of the work, but these niggas didn't like to carry heavy, man. They would prefer carrying one. Bro, I would carry 2, maybe 3. I want to get done, but it's hot, but I don't want to stand the whole day. Get warm. Can't you me, bro? I hate that, bro. Oh, bro. Oh, bro, you're gonna see me rub my face because bro, it was so oh, but it was so shite, bro. It was good, serious shite, bro. I hated every experience of it, bro. Bro, and the drive back, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. These were selfish niggas, bro. Selfish niggas, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. They would stop at the maybe, and I'm gonna lie. They would only stop at the shop if I don't even ask them. They know, bro. Me personally, they know I don't bring lunch to work, bro. At the end of the day, bro, I prefer leaving shit here so people can eat in my house, you feel me? I will go in with the empty bag. I would have money on me that I worked for, and I'll buy me something to eat at the workplace, you feel me? These niggas, bro, I would tell them, yo, stop here. Let me quickly buy me something to eat. It's like it goes in one ear, it goes out the other ear, bro. I tell this driver like 3 to 5 billion times, bro. Just let's stop here so I can just, bro, a man's just blatantly ignore me, bro. Bro, not because, bro, I was angry and hungry. Wrong combination, bro. And these niggas smoking in this cabin that's mad hot. And I don't smoke cigarettes, bro. I hated the smell. And that was just the few couple months that I got off cigarettes. You feel me? I did smoke cigarettes. I ain't gonna lie, I did. I got off it. I kicked it. I didn't like that, bro. It was a waste of my time, my money, and energy. Because I didn't see a reason to smoke cigarettes. I didn't have stress. You feel me? I was that type of nigga. You feel me? Long story short, bro. Tell my manager now I'm not sitting in between these niggas, bro. Either to get me other drivers that I can help, or I'm not, bro. I'm not sitting in between that niggas, bro. You feel me? Driver said, nah, just humble so, bro. So this nigga's back and heel. After he's back heel, you know driving with a different driver. Told him, okay, cool. Gangster. Bro, this continued for a month and a half, bro. And the sad part is this nigga, the driver, he didn't want to do anything. Why? This nigga's back was hurting. Bro, I don't know what happened to him, bro. I don't care what happened to him, bro. But my fault is, bro, the brother that was helping me and the driver, bruh, he was lazy, bro. He would carry one at a time, rest. One at a time, rest. Bro, I would take 3. I don't play, bro. I want to get out of this place because it's hot and it's making me feel like you feel me? I don't like the heat, bro. If I feel the heat, I would fall asleep. I would doze off, bro. I hate the heat, bro. I hate the heat, bro. You feel me? So it went on, you feel me? Continuously. Bro, and I won't lie to you, every day for that half month, every day, the end of the day, we had like bins. It was wood pieces in the bin. Some of the pieces, like, you carry with a forklift, you feel me? Put chains on the forklift, and the thing lifting, the forklift lift the bins. Now, for the bins to get tipped over, there was supposed to be 2 people on the forklift. This is my first few weeks on this place, bro. Guess who had to do that, bro? Don't play with me, bro. Don't play with me. And not with the intentions. Bro, I wanted to go home, bro. I wanted to go home, bro. And I wasn't the type of nigga to sweep. I ain't sweeping shit, bro. I would blow myself off. All the wood pieces off me. You feel me? And I would dub, bro. I would, I would dub, bro. You feel me? I would dub. But long story short, bro, they asked me to do it. Okay, I did it for them. You feel me? Dub both buns, bro. And this is like heavy buns, bro. If you one mistake, bro, bro, you would fall in that bun and you would, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. A wood piece in your I ain't gonna lie, bro. That's not a joke to be playing with, bro. Yeah, bro. Long story short, bro. That was my first week at that place, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't say it was a bad experience, bro, but I didn't like it, bro. I really didn't like it, bro. It was repetitive, man. For me, it was repetitive. At the end of the day, bro, you can't do nothing, bro. Like me personally, I used to smoke weed, bro. Feel me? And I used to buy from my pay. From my pay, I used to buy it. I'm not even trying to say this, but I used to buy a 10 on the G, you feel me? A 10 on the G. If you don't know, you will never know. I used to buy a 10 on the G, bro. And from the 10 on the G, I used to take a 5 and keep it for myself, and the other 5 I used to, you feel me? If you know, you won't know. Bro, from that 5, I used to this smoke for your full week, bro. Now these niggas that I used, these people that I used to work with, they used to smoke, but they didn't smoke what I smoked. You feel me? They didn't smoke what I smoked. You hear me? They used to smoke, bro. Yeah, they used to smoke. They used to smoke, but they didn't used to smoke what I smoked. Yeah, bro. I used to smoke gas, bro, like actual gas, bro. When I used to work, gas, bro, like actual gas. I used to give my I buy 10 on the G. I take a 5, put it aside. Take another 5, put that aside. I take a 2. I give that 2 to my brother. Uh, If you don't know, watch the last few videos, bro. You know who my brother is. If you don't know, if you know, in the comment section, that's gonna show me you a real one, bro. That's gonna show me that you a real one, bro. If you actually know who my brother is, in the comment section, gangster. I used to give him a 2, and I take the 3 for myself. That's how it always used to be every week, G. Every week. Not to say that but he was my brother, bro. I had to take care of him, bro. I have to, bro. Because if he would do the same for me, bro. I'm not exaggerating, bro. This nigga would do exactly the same thing for me, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. When I tell you, bro, my brother, YM, is a real nigga, bro. He's a real nigga, bro. He's a real nigga, bro. Some people may take advantage of his kindness. Me, I won't, bro. I would tell him, bro, relax with all of that, bro. You're doing too much, bro. You feel me? Keep that, bro. I'll ask him, nothing, even if it's people, bro, I'll ask him, yo, what, do you have anything for yourself? Well, if he said like, nah, I'll give him of mine, bro. Because that's what he would do the same for me, bro. But I always try to make sure that he's always, because he will do the same for me, bro. But this story is going mad long, bro. Next video is gonna drop on Wednesday. I'm gonna drop the next video. And that's gonna be part 2 of this. Why? Not the why. I don't know what to name this, bro. I'm gonna think about the name and I'm gonna let y'all know, bro. But for now, I'm just here to say thank you to all my people, the supporters, the people that actually watch my videos on a daily and actually supported me. You feel me? Liked, who actually subscribe, who actually watch my videos. Thank you all. And I might do a shout out in a few videos when it's coming forth, you feel me? I might do a shout out, you feel me? But yeah, bro, just need to say, this YG, the Villiers, signing out again.